Exercise makes me feel better and stronger, and now I have the Pilates bar kit to help me when I don't have time to go to the gym. A quick disclaimer here, I received this Pilates bar kit free to try. So let's see what's in the box. Look at this sign. There are step-by-step instructions here. That is so handy. A quick workout guide. A great idea will be to tape this on the wall and have a quick reference each time you need it. A bag. This Pilates bar kit is a comprehensive package designed to elevate your home workout experience. It includes a multifunctional Pilates bar, 2 resistant bands handles, 2 non-slip foot bands, and 3 pairs of exercise bands. Additionally, you'll find an adjustable door anchor, workout guide, a door cart, and a carrying bag. This extensive set allows for a variety of exercises, providing you with the tools needed for a workout session right in the comfort of your own home. Setting up the Pilates bar is a breeze. It just takes no time to complete the connection or disassemble of the bar. The Pilates bar kit is designed to take your workout to the next level. With its comprehensive set of accessories, comfortable design, and convenient portability, is the perfect choice for anyone looking to achieve their fitness goals from the comfort of their own home. This kit has everything you need to create a workout routine. Plus, with the included portable bag, you can easily store all the accessories and take them with you wherever you go. Whether you're exercising outdoors, traveling, or simply moving from room to room in your home, this kit makes it convenient to stay active.